Peace and blessing, family. Yeah, we doing a little smothered potatoes. Put a little chili powder. So a little short video. Got some turkey sausages in here. Bell pepper, onions. We'll drop a little honey in there, family. Drop a little honey. Y'all can see the honey. I like it a little sweet, you know. It's coming good. Put some mushrooms in here. Put a little mushroom. Y'all can see the mushroom. Drop them in there. Cooking with the elder. Well, we're gonna step this cooking up. I'm gonna get me a cooking channel. Strictly nothing but cooking. And might turn this into a cooking channel completely. You turn this fire up a little bit more. This here gonna fill the elder up tonight. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Get a little brown. That's it, family. Just about. Cooking with the elder. Wanted to put some yellow peppers in here. Red pepper, I ain't got no red pepper. Put a little more olive oil in here. I don't know if y'all use this. This is some good oil here, organic. MCT oil. There we got it. They call southern smothered potatoes. Done by the elder. Got a little smoked sausage, turkey sausage in there. Make sure everything is good. Hope y'all enjoyed this. This is it. Smothered southern potatoes done by the elder. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace and blessings. I think I'm gonna come to a live stream later on. Y'all have a beautiful and blessed day, family. And I'm out.